Hi, I'm Jeff with Wagner Technical Services. Welcome to our Tips and Troubleshooting video series. In this video, I'll show you why your Control Pro 130 might not be spraying. If you're pulling the trigger and no paint comes out of the gun, the sprayer might not be priming properly. Check to see if paint comes out of the material return tube inside the paint tank when the knob is set to prime. If it doesn't, the sprayer won't pressurize when in the spray mode, and you might have to clean the inlet valve. Shut off power to the sprayer and turn the knob to prime to release the pressure in the gun. Then empty the tank, clean it, and remove the inlet filter screen. By the way, we recommend using the tank lid as a tray when removing parts so you don't lose them. And setting them down in the order you remove them also makes reinstallation easier. To get the inlet valve out, use an 8mm wrench and unscrew the inlet valve fitting from the sprayer. Then use a pick or similar tool to pry out the inlet valve seat, inlet valve ball, spring, and O-ring. Be very careful not to lose any of these parts, but if you lose the spring, an extra came with your sprayer in the manual packet. Then replace all of the parts in the inlet valve housing in the reverse order of how you removed them. Then inspect the inlet valve housing area and clean with soap and water or mineral spirits if you find lots of paint buildup. Lubricate the other O-ring on the inlet valve fitting with household oil or WD-40. Then load your sprayer with water and give it a test. I hope this solves your problem. For more help, you can watch our other help videos or call us at the number on your screen. You can also live chat us at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching.